Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. Best of luck for your periodic test second. Now we will revise English grammar. We will start the revision with the chapter active and passive voice. Come on the chapter and try to know about it. In an active sentence, the subject does the action, while in the passive sentence, the action is done to the subject. It means that you get that in active voice, the subject of active voice will be object in passive voice, and the object of active voice will be subject in passive voice. Understand? So here you will get some changes. How to change? Simple present will change into is, am, are plus member third form. Present continuous is, am, are plus being member third form. Present perfect has, have, been member third form. Simple past was, were member third form. Past continuous was, were, being member third form. Past perfect had been member third form. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would. With these modal verbs we will use be plus member third form. With modal verb be plus member third form. So come on the example. They were repairing the bridge. The bridge was being repaired by them. So here you are getting what is the subject? They. In active voice you are getting the subject here, they, and what is the object? The breeze. So the object will be subject in passive voice. So the breeze was, because you are getting the sentence is in what? Continuous tense, past continuous tense. So we are with the breeze, because the breeze is similar, so we will use was being repaired by them. We will use by. When we will omit by, when we will get vague words. Someone, none, no one, anyone, somebody, nobody, anybody. Such type of word we will get, which word are vague. On that time we will use what? We will omit these words. Understand? We will omit these words in passive voice. So here you are getting my, someone has stolen my pen. So object will be first, subject, my pen has been stolen. We are not using by here. You will see here one example of models. He can play football. In this sentence you are getting the object is football. So it will be first here football, model can, afterward with can we will use be, member third form, can be played by him. Understand? Afterward we will revise the next chapter. Student, now we will revise the chapter direct and reported speech part 1 statements. We have already read the chapter. Now we will revise here. In direct speech we say the statement of the speaker in the same way, but in indirect speech we change the meaning. Understand? So come here. Some of the changes we will know here. Simple present in simple past. Present continuous will be changed into past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect, simple past, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous, past perfect no change, past perfect continuous no change. Can will be changed, could, may, might, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, was, were, had been, should, could, would, might, no change. There will be no change. Understand? We will see here the reporting verb. Say will be say in indirect speech. Says to will be tells, said to, told, said will be same said. Understand? So see the example and know about it in a better way. He says to me, I am your friend. Dear student, we have already discussed that this part which is separated by comma, this part is known as reporting speech. Understand? This part is known as reporting speech. In reporting speech, you are getting the verb here, sage. Understand? And here you are getting the part which is in double inverted comma. This is known as reported speech part. If reporting verb will be in present or future tense, so there will be no change of tense in reported speech in indirect speech. So see the example. He tells me, because says to will be changed into tells me. And in statement we use the we use conjunction that. So here you will use that. Afterward you are getting that first person. I is a first person. We have already discussed yes or n. Yes means subject first person, object second person, third person, no change. So the the pronouns of reported speech will be changed. How it will be changed? So see here, there is when there will be first person, we will get first person change according to the subject of reporting speech. So in reporting speech, what is the subject? He. So according to the subject, first person change. I is first person, so first person change according to the subject of reporting speech. So he tells me that he is. Second person change according to object of reporting verb. So object is me. So here you will get my friend. There is no change of tense in indirect speech. We are not getting the tense of changes in indirect speech in reported speech part. If there will be present and future tense in reporting speech. Understand? Next one, you said he lives here. You are getting you said, we are using the conjunction that. Third person, he is third person, no change. Lives, we are getting the word here lives, the verb. So it indicates which tense? Simple present. Simple present will be changed into simple past. So it will be here lived. And here will be changed into there. We have already discussed earlier. Now see the next example. He said the earth is round. We are getting, we will change the tense of reported speech when reporting verb will be in past. Here we are getting reporting verb in past, but we will not change the tense of reported speech. Why? The reason is that because we get that for universal truth, fact, if we will get universal truth, fact, quotes, so we will not change in reported speech. So here it will be he said that the earth is round. We are not changing the tense. Understand? Dear student, we will see here the next chapter, direct and reported speech, part second, commands and request. Imperative sentence expresses order, command, advice, request, etc. Reporting verb will be changed into a card. Reporting verb will be changed according to need. Reporting verb will be changed according to need. So here you will get tell, ask, order, command, request, suggest, advise, warn, etc. We omit please kindly word If we will get please and kindly word in reported speech, we will omit in indirect speech. We use to infinitive in positive sentence in indirect speech. We use not to in negative imperative. In negative sentence we use not to. And if you are not getting object in reporting speech, in reporting speech part you are not getting object, but you have to include object. If you are not, suppose that you are not getting object, but you have to use object in indirect speech. Understand? So the doctor said to me, walk in the morning. So the doctor advised me. In positive sentence we will use to infinitive, to walk in the morning. Suppose that you are not getting the object here, me, but you have to use object in indirect speech. He said to me, don't shout in the class. In negative sentence especially, which will start with don't in reported speech, for that sentence we will use not to. He ordered me not to shout in the class. We will use not to. And we can also use forbid, but when we will use forbid, we will use only to, not to. Understand? So he forbade me to shout in the class. Dear student, now see here the changes of the changes of interrogative sentence here. How to change interrogative sentence. So first come on here. Reporting verb will be changed into ask. Yes no type questions. If you will get yes no type questions, we will use if or whether as a conjunction. WH words. In WH word type questions, we will use WH word as a conjunction. Understand? When we will change the sentence from direct to indirect speech. Interrogative verb form will be changed into assertive verb form. Understand? Assertive verb form. In assertive verb form, you will get that first subject will come, afterward helping verb, main verb, object and other. This pattern will be followed. So come on here. First example, he says to me, are you ill? This part you already know, that reporting speech part, and this is reported speech. So you are getting that here you are getting reporting verb in present. If it will be present or future, there will be no change of tense of reported speech. So it will be only says to will be changed into ask. Asks. He asks me. The conjunction will be if, because if there will be, if you will get that reported speech will start with yes no type questions, means with modal verbs or helping verbs, modal auxiliaries or auxiliaries, then you will use if or whether. So we will use if, and afterward you are getting second person change according to what? Second person change according to object of reporting speech, according to reporting verb. So here is my, so here is me, so we will put here I, and tense will be not changed, I am ill, because we are putting in which form? Assertive form. So afterward subject, then helping verb. Understand? You are getting afterward next sentence, he said to me, are you ill? Here you are getting reported, you are getting here you are getting reporting verb in what? Past. So the tense of reported speech will be also changed. So he asked me if, because reporting, because you are getting here reported speech starts with helping verb. So we will use if, second person change according to object me, so I was ill. Tense will be changed. Here you are getting the change of tense because you are getting reporting verb in past. Understand? Next sentence, he said to me, where do you live? Here you are getting a WH words questions. So he asked me where. Second person change according to object. Object is me, so I lived. Or you are getting that here the tense is simple present. Simple present will be changed into simple past, so it will be lived. You said to me, what is your name? You asked me what. Second person change according to object. Second person will be changed according to object of reporting verb. Object is me, so here you will get my name. Afterward you are getting was. Is will be changed into was. So I hope that you have understood.